In this video, we'll learn how to use the adjustable card input hopper for the PriceCardPro Flex printer. The input hopper is adjustable so that different sized cards can be used to print on. You'll see on the bottom of the hopper that there are different card lengths marked out. To set your hopper to one of these lengths, loosen the nut by turning it anti-clockwise. You will now be able to slide the adjustable section backwards or forwards until it is in line with the correct marker. You can then tighten the nut, place your cards in the hopper and place the hopper back onto the printer.